got something new to share with y'all. I got this because I've started working on miniature crochet, and I'm not trying to strain my eyes, and I don't really like wearing glasses because it hurts up in here. I get migraines very easily, so it hurts up in here to like wear glasses, which I know eventually is going to be a thing because my family. But yeah, so right now, because I don't want to wear glasses, we're going to use this, and there's 10 levels of brightness. Here's the instructions. You got a little cleaning pack thing to clean off your magnifier, and I'm already excited because I'm such a science geek. Ooh. Okay, let me keep playing around. That's it. While I'm opening stuff, like I just know where it goes and that what was in there. This clamp for the desk, I know what that is. And we hardly get any of these anymore, so that's awesome. Thanks for the base. I don't know why I'm so excited about that part. But you see all the control functions on the bottom. This is where the light is. And there it is. As you guys can see, like the stitches really. This next stitch that we just pulled that stitch out of, grab that beige yarn and pull it through, and then make your single crochet. I'm gonna go in here, pull the white, and do crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job.